Go to PowerPoint. Open a new page. Go to Add-ins. Add ChatGPT for PowerPoint. Click on Create from Topic. Write your topic name or prompts here. Add number of slides here. Click on Continue. Check Details and click Continue. Pick a template. Wait for few seconds. Great, your presentation is ready to use. This file is fully editable, so you can edit it as per your requirement. So guys, please do like, share and subscribe to the Grow Simply channel.